extracting of natural resource is going on in speed. Deforestation is going on. The entire environment has become polluted. We are polluting. The people of the world, they are polluting. So we have to warn them. So that is why the poet wants to use the young generation, the young poets, because young people, they are zealous, they are energetic, enthusiastic, they can fight for nature, they can fight for ecology, but not that physical fighting, no conflict, no fighting, no enmity, only through lines of the poetry, only through lines of the poetry, and the pen will become the tool. The pen will become the tool. Guys, I think you have heard a proverb, pen is mightier than sword. So, they can use the pen as sword. Thus they can fight. So this is the message on behalf of Todd Michael, which he has depicted through couplets in the poem Young Poets.